Good morning. This is tutorial number 27 out of the Berkeley Music Theory Book 1. And today we are going to talk about the harmonic minor scale. Okay, so we have learned the construction of a major scale. We have learned the construction of a natural minor scale. Okay, we learned that last lesson. So today we are going to learn another one, which is the harmonic minor scale. If you remember, major, okay, major sounds like that, okay? Then we went to minor, which is constructed from the major scale, but starts on 6. We call that the relative minor. We're going to go down 2 white keys. Okay, so those are the 2 scales we know. We've talked about the whole step and half step construction. And now we're going to talk about a third scale, and that is called the harmonic minor scale. The way you're going to construct this scale is with a pattern whole, half, whole, half, step and a half, and then a half. And you're like, oh my gosh, what is that step and a half? Okay. I need to talk a little bit about, I'm going to tell a short story here, and then I'm going to go back. So the space that occurs that is weird, that is just unfamiliar between scale degree 6 and scale degree 7. Now, music theory teachers, they like to fight a lot about how to name things, okay? Like the one will say it's this, and the other one will say it's this. So there was one time I was working at a school, and there were 3 music theory teachers, and they all called that space or interval between that between the scale degree 6 and 7 in a different way. One of them called it 3 half steps. Okay. One of them called it a whole step plus a half step. One of them called it a step and a half. Now, as much as they were fighting, all 3 of them were correct. Okay. That's all 3 different ways of saying one. And I even came up with another one, which you're going to see starting in next tutorial, which is a major, or excuse me, a minor third or an augmented second. You haven't had it yet, so don't worry about that, okay? So all these teachers were fighting over basically what sounds like the same thing, okay? I said here at the bottom, 4 ways of saying the same, theory fight, okay? So, you know, I don't care how you understand it, okay? As long as you understand it, okay? All right, going back to the actual construction, you're going to take your natural minor scale and you're going to raise the 7th scale degree, okay? So this okay, that is your natural minor scale, is going to become this. So we can say that it is a natural minor scale with a leading tone, okay? It is going to change that one note, and that makes it harmonic. It gives it more harmonic direction, okay? And I'll give you another secret. It is way more common than natural minor, okay? So there's the construction. One last thing I'm going to say about this is you still don't have to skip a letter, okay? In your example there, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B natural, C, okay? So you understand that you still have an A and you still have a B. You're not going to skip any letters, okay? It's going to be A something and B something. Okay, so when you're first writing this out, you write C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, this has been Dr. Morse, and this has been a lecture about the harmonic minor scale, and see you next time.